Sometimes it is required to combine multiple different conditions together while branching, that is, while selecting the lines, which lines of code you want to execute. That is in an if-else statement. This is just like the real world scenario. Consider this one. For example, let's say you want to go to the field in the afternoon to play some game. But you told that, well, if my friend Alice comes, as well as if my friend Bob comes, then only I will go to the field. So, what did you just say? You said if Alice comes and if Bob comes. If both the conditions hold true, then I will go to the field. You can also say something like this: if either of my friends come. For example, if Alice comes or if Bob comes. If either of the condition holds true, then I will go to the field. So this is a real world example, right? Now this type of scenario may happen in the programming context also, where you need to check two different conditions before taking a branch. And in the program, you can do that utilizing the logical operators, such as an AND operator or an OR operator, something like this. Now let us take a deeper look of this example in the slide to understand a real problem. So that utilizes this AND operator to solve for this to demonstrate whatever I have just said, like combining multiple different conditions. So let's take a look. What did I do? So first, this is the problem. I want to classify a student's percentage score to letter grade and print the grade following this scale. So if the score is greater than 90, I want to print A. If the score is in between 80 and 90, then I want to print B. And if the score is less than 80, then I want to print C. So what did I do while writing the program? Well, first I have just initialized a score. That is, I initialized to 85, somewhere in between 80 and 90, just to show you the demo of this combining multiple conditions. So here I have initialized score to 85 like this. Now in the first part of this program, like in this first if statement, I just take care of this part, the first condition in here. So here I have just checked if score is greater than 90, then I am printing A. Well, this is just like the normal if else that you have learned before. There is only one condition over here, that is score greater than 90. Now in the second part of the program, which is this one, here you have to check whether the score is in between 90 and 80. How can you do that? For that you have to use this AND operator. In the first part of this AND operator, like this, here you are checking if the condition is less than equals 90. Then in the second part of the AND operator, in here you are checking if the condition is greater than 80. So if you combine these two conditions, that will give you that, well, if the score is less than equals 90 and greater than 80, which means this second part of your program, of this problem. So this condition Utilizing this AND operator, it is checking whether the score is in between 80 and 90. And whenever it is true, whenever it is score is less than equals 90 and score greater than 80, or in other words in between 90 and 80, then it will print B. And then the third part of the program, that is again a simple comparison, which is basically just checking score is less than 80, which is this part of the problem. And whenever the score is 80, then it is printing C. So the thing is here, inside an if or elif or wherever you want to write a comparison or write a condition, you can make use of and or operators, that is all the logical operators, as per needed to solve any problem. In the next video, we are going to clarify this concept with a demo.